Welcome student. Our topic was nucleic acid, okay, and in this nucleic acid we already seen what is nucleic acid, what is nucleotide, nucleoside, what is the hydrolysis product of nucleic acid, okay, everything, and we have fragmented this nucleic acid. Nucleic acid give, after complete hydrolysis, nucleic acid gives heterocyclic bases, okay, sugar molecule and phosphate. These are the three building block of nucleic acid, okay. Now in that topic we have already seen what are the two types of sugar molecule present, okay. So nucleic acid contain two types of sugar molecule, either ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar. If nucleic acid contain ribose sugar, then that nucleic acid is known as RNA, ribose nucleic acid, and if nucleic acid contain deoxyribose sugar, then that is known as DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, okay. Now second part, which is present, which is important component of DNA and RNA, is heterocyclic bases or bases present in DNA and RNA. So in general, after complete hydrolysis of nucleic acid, it is found that DNA as well as RNA contain two types of heterocyclic bases, okay, and one of the type of heterocyclic base is purine bases, because why it is called as purine, we know the heterocyclic compound obtained from DNA or RNA that contain purine ring. Purine is a heterocyclic ring. I will draw the structure for purine. These are the four nitrogen. Nitrogen. This ring is known as purine ring, okay, and purine ring containing substituted purine ring containing heterocyclic bases present in DNA or RNA, okay. So our DNA or RNA molecule contain two types of purine bases, two types of, one is adenine, the structure is this. NH2, this is adenine or simply A. This heterocyclic base is present in nucleic acid, adenine, okay. These are nitrogen, remember here nitrogen, okay, 4 nitrogen. This is adenine. One more is guanine having this structure. This is hydrogen. Here guanine contains CO, NH, okay. So this is the structure of guanine, capital G, adenine, guanine. See, both the molecule contain purine ring. This is purine ring. This type of purine ring present in adenine as well as guanine. Therefore, these two types of heterocyclic bases are known as purine bases because they are basic in nature. That's why purine bases, okay. And three pyrimidine bases also present. Pyrimidine. First, we know pyrimidine. Pyrimidine ring is monocyclic heterocyclic ring. This is the pyrimidine ring, okay. Nitrogen, two nitrogen. Here one and here one, okay. Now pyrimidine ring containing compound present in DNA and RNA. See, what is that? First one is cytosine. Two. Cytosine. Cytosine C. Thymine. Next is thymine. CH3 NH, here double bond. Okay, this is thymine T. Okay, and uracil, last is uracil. Uracil is this, nitrogen, 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 double bond, NH, NH. This is uracil U. Okay, uracil U. See, nitrogen, 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 nitrogen. Okay, here also nitrogen, nitrogen. So these are the 5 bases generally present in DNA and RNA. Okay, see, uracil is absent in DNA. Remember, always remember, uracil is absent in DNA. Okay, never found in DNA. Uracil, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, these are the 4 bases present in DNA except RNA. Okay, so these are the 5 bases present in nucleic acid. Okay, so these are the structure for nucleic acid. So in DNA and RNA contain 2 types of heterocyclic compound. One of the type is purine type, purine bases. Why it is called as purine type? Because these adenine and guanine contain purine ring. That's why it is called purine bases. And second type is pyrimidine base, pyrimidine. This is the structure of pyrimidine. Okay, this type of ring present in these 3 different heterocyclic bases, that is cytosine, thymine and uracil. Okay, so these are the 5 bases present in DNA and RNA. We have already seen 2 structure of sugar base, sugar molecule, ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, very important. And now bases heterocyclic compound or basic heterocyclic compound present in nucleic acid, that is the 4. Okay, so student, remember this, very important. And again, one thing is uracil is present in RNA only, not found in DNA. Okay, getting my point? So these are the bases present in DNA and RNA. Okay, now in next class we will going to draw the structure of nucleoside and nucleotide and then polynucleotide chain. Okay, that will be the structure of DNA molecule. So student, try to draw this structure from the textbook also and do practice structure of sugar molecule, structure of RNA, DNA, hydrocyclic bases. Okay, so thank you very much. See you.